Hi, welcome to my 8th tutorial on Erlang. Today we're going to cover the if statements and a little bit about the IO format. So, the if statement works by trying the guards in the if clause top down until it reaches a test, which succeeds, then the body is evaluated. If none are successful, an if clause error is generated. So let's test this by writing our function called speak. The speak takes in one parameter called animal. So the function is basically about what an animal says. Something simple like that. So let's see how the if statement works. So the name of the function is speak. So we want the result to be assigned to the variable talk. So if a cat is an atom, so if animal compares to a cat, return meow, which is an atom as well. Else if animal compares to a dog, returns roof roof, which is an atom as well. And right now we don't have a catch-all guard, and if none of this parameter matches, none of this argument matches, an if clause error will be generated. So what we'll typically do is to add in a catch-all guard, and to do this we simply put in a boolean true. So this will always succeed if nothing else matches. Return an atom invalid. Okay, no animal, and then we call the end. So if none of these two matches, we call in true, which returns an atom no animal, and we print out the result on screen using the IO format. So IO format, we're gonna enter a string in there. So IO format, the squiggle W means replace this with a term in the list, which I'll show you later on. First let me just type it. Saves. So alright, the squiggle W simply means replace with the term in the list in order. So this will be replaced with this, with animal, and this will be replaced with the word talk, well, with the value in the variable talk. And end squiggle simply means replaced by a new line. So that's the end of our function. Now what we have to do is now export this function speak, and it takes in argument, which is animal. And since our Erlang shell is running, we save, and don't forget to change directory to the location of the module. So paste, and then we compile the file, which is easy. we convert the module file. Perfect. Now we have to call the speak function. So easy speak. Animal, first of all, let's try goat. Goat says no animal, but obviously you can change it whenever you like. And now let's try cat. Cat says meow. Hope you've enjoyed my tutorial today. See you next time. Don't forget to click on the like button. Thank you very much.